Bonjour mes amis, I am Kat Le Pitou, philosopher extraordinaire and adventure enthusiast. Let me introduce you to my fantastical friends and our mind-bending escapades. First, there's Marley, my Jamaican canine compadre. Together, we've cruised the Americas on a Harley Davidson.
Woof woof, man.
That means peace and love, man! Speaking of Lennon, that's how we met the fool on the hill in India. Quite the trip, I tell you. Then there's Shirley, a cat with an appetite as big as her heart.
Meow, meow, meow.
That's pasta lasagna, please. And let's not forget Pierrot, my 40-year-old robot toy. He's full of wisdom and batteries. Beep boop, he says, time is but an illusion, my friends. But mes amis, the real adventure began when we discovered a secret in my wardrobe. A portal through time and space. Can you believe it? Socrates taught us to question everything, even our own beliefs. Confucius showed us the importance of harmony and respect in all things. And the Mad Hatter? Well, he reminded us that a little madness is essential for a well-balanced mind. Through our time-traveling adventures, we've learned that history is not just a story of the past. It's a mirror reflecting our present and a window to our future. We've seen civilizations rise and fall, ideas bloom and wither. And through it all, we've learned that the greatest journey is the one within ourselves. Every era, every culture has something to teach us about the human and animal condition. So, mes chers amis, remember, life is but a dream, and we are the dreamers. The universe is our playground, and every moment is an opportunity for growth and laughter. Embrace the absurd, question the obvious, and always, always be kind. For in the end, it's not about the destinations we reach, but the friends we make along the way. Now, if you'll excuse me, I hear the cosmos calling. Au revoir et bon voyage.